Fall Guys has taken over the gaming scene and pretty much everyone's playing it, even Mr. Beast.
Okay, ready up.
So I thought, sure, I better give it a go myself. So I downloaded it, turned it on, and was hit in the face with that amazing soundtrack. And you know when you hear something that's just simply amazing and you're just inspired to try and give it a go yourself? But this time, let's make our own version. Let's see if we can make our own Fall Guys soundtrack. And in the end, hopefully it sounds a bit like this. If you enjoy this video, feel free to do these 3 things. So you get notified when I release more videos. And if you have any questions on music production, I stream over on Twitch, so that's the best place to go. I can answer all your questions in full and in detail and, well, all your music questions at least. Links down below. All right, let's get into it. Let's make a Fall Guys soundtrack. Okay, let's make a Fall Guys soundtrack. Step number 1, let's get the BPM. So it needs to be extremely fast, high tempo, doesn't let you rest for a second. So 150 BPM, 150 beats per minute. That's going to be our starting point. So we need to find 3 sections. So section 1 is a build. Section 2, it's kind of like a chorus kind of thing that you can kind of dance. And then section 3 is more like drum and bass groove. Cool. Let's see what chords then. Actually, I might just make a piano just so I can listen to something that sounds nice while I'm figuring out the chords. So I think that's in the key of F major. And then our first section can be C, B minor, B flat, and then just walks its way back up again. Bum, 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 bum. Cool. So that's the first section. So will we just make the build and then see where it takes us? I feel like that might be a cool place to go. Here we go. Cool. Something like that. And then we can shift all these up an octave by going Option Shift up. And then we can put in the chords. Cool. And I can stop there halfway because it's just going to repeat. Let's throw in a drum and bass sound. Don't know which one will sound the nicest. It's kind of hard to know. I like this one though. Let's just have a listen with it. Okay, so to make sure this is in time, fix and follows on, and it should jump into time. And then we definitely need a thicker synth of some sort. So I'm actually thinking of, I'll leave the chicken picker, that guy there. And then I want to get some sort of chord guy here. I wonder if I threw that huge filter freak too, would that work? Cool, and the second time around, let's throw in a harmony. Duplicate, cut them down, and then harmony, let's see. Maybe another cool drum loop of some sort. That so could be. This one sounds pretty toyish, so maybe we can make it work. So we have a section 1, section 2, and then into a drum and bass section here. Oh, I never actually put in these trap impacts. Oops. Let's just put in some builds here, and then just some impacts here. Oops, 1-shots and effects. I feel like some crazy shakers as well could help. Tambourine. Digga 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 digga. Remember this one? 1 to the left, 1 to the right. Crisscross. Nothing like a tambourine to get you going. I feel like I want some toms. I need some tom lads doing some good stuff in this first section. Do I have toms? This one's kind of funny. I think I have some kids screaming yay. I feel like those kind of things make a huge difference in these as well. Sound effects. Children yay. The Wilhelm scream could be funny. And just speed him up. You know the Wilhelm scream, the wah guy. Cool. Then like a couple of kids just screaming yay, and that'll help. And we'll throw a little bit of reverb on them just to kind of explode it into the room. Oh, I pressed the save button at the perfectly wrong time. It actually works pretty well. I'll just keep this white noise, I think, making a bit of sound. I feel like that hit needs to be way louder. We could probably do another one of them. Impacts. Oh, and we definitely should throw some rises in this as well. Boom. Dum 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 dum. Maybe just play it in the bass. Not sure if it'll work with the empty spaces, but it might just. That's a really good point. I have no idea where my layout went. Where did it go? Come back. Oh, this is so sad. Okay, so the border on my stream was disappeared, but now it's back. So that's good. We have a border around me and at the top where you can see my Twitters and Instagrams and all that stuff. So that's back. That's good. Cool. Okay, I think a good place to go now is to possibly throw in some chords here. I like this instrumental bit. So we have the children yays going yay. What will we do next? I feel like if we throw in some fleshy chords out here, and then for the groove bit, I feel like this is pretty much exactly what I was hoping for the groove. So I might just copy this across, Command or yeah. But for this main section, I want it to be a bit more groovy, so we need some synths and some bass. I also want to throw in some like vocal samples that are silly. So let's see what we can do. What we start with? Do we have a serum here? Do you have a serum? Okay, what was this? Cool. I like the slide of these. Pretty nice. Maybe if I keep all of them sliding. I want a nice instrument. So I'm going to duplicate this and freeze this one. Let me record this bass. It's kind of crazy, but I think that's basically what we're going for. Hey, basically. Sounds like some 80s electro dance kind of thing, but I think that could work. Boom, 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 boom. And then I might go back to like holding bass down in the groove section. Cool. Yeah, I might just stop this guy here and then run off. It's pretty fun. I think it's cool. It's definitely weird, but I think that's kind of the point. I just think one like maybe just some Lush chords in there in the middle could be cool. So one more Lush chords. Dude, I just might use the normal electric keyboard and just throw in some nice Lush chords and then we're done. I messed up the last chord, so I'll just copy the chord across from the first time I played the F. But I like the C's and there was something interesting going on there, so let's try and use that. Some random sounds here in the groove and then we're nearly there. If I find a nice sample, how do we search? It's like vocal. That's perfect. I just get one of them and throw them exactly where we need it. It's mad how good those vocal samples sound. We throw the hay in. I wonder if I could have, instead of having the hay, have like a woo. Woo! Yeah, I like that. Woo! Kind of 90s. I don't know. It's got like that 90s groove. Kind of feels like it's a bit retro. This is Fall Guys ready. If not, then I've had a bit of a fall. All right, let's have a listen. It'd be rude not to. Here we go. This is a song that I hope Fall Guys, please guys, just take it and use it from the kindness of my heart. The joy that you bring. I think millions now. It's pretty big at this stage. Anyway, let's get to it. Here we go. Fall Guys attempt 1. Here we go. Let's have a listen. Whoa, here we go. Does that say woo? Woo! Ah, well, that was something.